All right, guys. Next up, we got James here. Is going to do a blaster box of 1920 Prizm basketball. Appreciate the order, man. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. All right, find the Zion. Find the Zion. That would be awesome. Hakeem the Dream. Draymond Green. PJ Washington. Instant Impact insert. And Al Horford. Chris Dunn. Clint Capella. And we have a silver of Kyle Anderson. And our first true rookie is Romeo Langford. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Rudy Gobert, Kobe, NBA finalist insert, and Ignas Brazdeikis, rookie. Tim Hardaway Jr., Lou Williams. We have a Goga and Brandon Ingram. Steven Adams. And we have a jersey of Kevin Durant. Not a bad piece right there. Goran Dragic, green. And a Servetus rookie. Pistons. All right, our last pack, finish it on up. We got Tyler Johnson. Chandler Parsons. A silver of Klay Thompson. And finish with Duke Blue Devil, Cam Reddish, rookie. All right, James, I appreciate it, man. I will get it all packed up. It will ship out as soon as possible, and have a happy 4th of July. Later on, buddy.